of Dunbeholden, Lenny Hyde. Coach, first, some opening remarks from you about the performance of the team before we open the floor to some questions.
I just spoke to my players after the game, and my talk was excellent performance. I think we played well, our department of the pitch. It's just a pity that we couldn't get in one of those goals. We made numerous attempts on goal, but I must lift my hat to the Harbour goalkeeper. I think he had an excellent game. It's our first game, so we just have to continue to build a team chemistry going forward.
All right, we'll open the floor now for questions from the media. You can indicate. Go ahead.
All right. Coach, how impressed are you with your first match as a Dunbeholden coach after all the preparation put in place with your performance? How impressed are you with the performance of the team?
Most of the things that we practice, I saw it in the game today. That's what I told them. You know, most of our training, our patterns going forward to goal, a lot of balls from the side of the pitch, square in the box. We put in numerous squares that we should have finished. So that is a plus for us going forward. We just have to be more patient in front of the goal. And I think we'll get it as long as the season carry on. The players will improve and they will start believing in the system. So it's just a work in progress. We just have to continue to work hard.
All right, any follow-up? Go on.
The result, coach, as I said, you all wanted to get off to a positive note. It's a defeat. How you take this and how you're going to move forward in the remainder of the
Yeah, it's tough to lose a game like this. I just told the players, after a game you don't want in that slumber mode. You want to be the happy team. It didn't happen today, so we just have to move forward. The next game is next week. We have a couple of days to prepare for that. And I hope we can turn on that result and get back on track. You know? But I love the performance of the players. And we just have to continue to work and build the chemistry, as I said before.
All right, yes, Rashid.
Rashid Parchman, the Observer. Coach, you mentioned that it's a new team to you. They're new to your tactics as well. It's stealing pace, but how long do you think it will take for things to really start clicking?
Yeah, my mid-season, so 4 or 5 games, 3, 4, 5 games. You know, the more they play together, the more they can. That will build. You know, and some of the players is not 100% fit, physical fit as yet, and we still have to mix the physical with the technical part of the game, and I think the team will improve.
As I mentioned, coach, chances went a big into the coach. Can you get that right moving forward? Next game onwards?
Yeah, we have to continue working in front of the goal. A lot of finishing, we didn't get to do a lot of that. We have to try to fix the back, you know, I'm a coach from the back, come up, you know, so we have to mix defensive work with also the attacking work. So we have to put more focus on finishing, you know. Finishing don't just happen in front of the goal from the 18-yard box. We have to go to the side of the pitch. So we have to build from the side, the wing back come in and put in the squares. So we have to do a lot of that going forward.
How frustrating it is for you to know that you have created so much chance and the 1 or 2 chances above you created, they actually end up putting one in the back of the net?
It's very frustrating, but as an experienced coach, you know that from the games midway the first half when we see we are getting the chances, I say I wonder if I one of them gave that. But you know the football game, they create and you make one mistake and the team. I hope a good thing that it catch us in the first game. We have time to recover and we just have to continue to work and build the players' character. I don't want this deter them from, you know, when we were even down, I tell them to continue to play the system. Be patient. Anything if we lose, we just wheel and come again and work.
The goal came from a corner which resulted from a run against the breaker play. Are you concerned about how you defend against counter-attacks?
Yes, we have to be working in that department also. And it was a corner, back post, header, back in. Goalkeeper should have come for that. But as you said, we have to work on the counter-attack. In the midst of attack, your defense have to be structured. You know, you can't walk all over the place through where attack, you watch the ball and the striker move to the side and then the counter hit you. So we have to be organized even though we are going into attack. So that area we have to continue working on.
Any other questions?
Any new faces to come before the season starts, the JPL season?
For the Premier League?
Yeah, I mean overall for the side.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of cards. But I'm just focusing on the CONCACAF tournament right now. Very important to me and the club. And that's what I'm focusing on right now. But the nucleus of the team is this 23 that we have here for the CONCACAF. The rest of the players will come from the Manning Cup and the Dakar Cup. That's what the club wants. About 10 to 11, 18-year-old.
Specifically, Tyneham College.
Yeah, so married that. Yeah, I want to try and make that link, yeah.
All right, thank you very much, Coach Lenny. All right, everyone, thanks very much. And in a few minutes, we'll have the Harbour View person.
All right.